Ladies and gents, and this is the first of the 8 videos designed for parents and carers to support their children with maths and numeracy. The 8 videos are looking at the 8 key skills, or 8 key skills which underpin all of the GCSE questions and all of the questions that your your children will do in exams throughout their time at school. And what I've done in the comments box below, or the information box below, is put a link to all the questions that we've been doing in form time, and also a copy of the answers. So what these videos are designed for is for you to watch the videos, go through them, go through the answers with your children, and then test them, then retest them. And that way, hopefully, after watching the videos a few times, you guys will be more confident, and hopefully your children will be a lot more confident with these basic skills. On top of that, there's going to be a support page on Facebook, which I'll put a link to, and also I'm going to try and set up a Twitter account, which will be a first for me, and so that when more videos are produced, it gets to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so without further ado, this is the first key skill, which is multiplication of numbers, but more importantly, multiplication of decimals. And there's key points. The first thing is we get rid of the decimal point. So if we're going to do 2.6 multiplied by 3.5, what we do is we do 26 times by 35. Now there's no right or wrong, well there is a wrong way to it, but there's no one correct method of doing this. So I'm going to go through 2 or 3 methods and then just choose which one that you prefer. So the first thing we're going to do is we have a look at this 5, and we're going to do 5 lots of 6, and we're going to do 5 lots of 2. So 5 lots of 6 is 30, so that's 0, carry the 3. 5 lots of 2 is 10, the 3 carried over makes 13, so that's 3, and we carry over the 1 into that column. Now the 3 isn't actually a 3, it's a 30, so what we do is we start off with a 0, and we do 3 lots of 6, which is 18. 3 lots of 2, which is 6, plus this 1 which we carried over from the 18 to make 7. So we've got 130 and 780. What we then do is we add them. So if we add the first column, or the right-hand column is going to be 0. This column is 11, so that's 1, carry the 1. Then we've got the 1, the 7, and this carried over 1, which makes 9. So 2.6 times 3.5, we don't know, but we do know that 26 times 35 equals 910. Now, if we have a look at this third point here, it says the number of decimal places in the question must be the same as the answer. So in the question, there's 1 here, 1 decimal place there, and there's 1 decimal place there. So that's 2 decimal places in total, which means in the answer, they need to have 2 decimal places. So we need to write 910, but there's 2 decimal places. So if we put the decimal point there, that's only 1 decimal place. However, if we put it here, that's 2 decimal places. So the answer is going to be 9.10, or as some people say, 9.10. You can also write that as 9.1, but unless it states, you don't need to correct it. Okay, so now what you can do is have a go at the other questions, and yeah, any issues, get in contact with me. Best of luck.